Welcome back. We learned about the immutable list. Now let's learn about the mutable list. A mutable list is a collection that allows you to modify its elements after it's created. You can add, remove, or update elements within a mutable list. Mutable lists are part of Kotlin's collection framework and are created using functions like mutable list of and array list of. These lists are used when you need to work with a collection of data that can change over time. I'll start creating my first mutable list. I'll name it as vegetables equals to mutable list of function. The mutable list of function is used to create a mutable list in Kotlin. This function takes var arg parameter, allowing you to specify the initial elements of the list. Here, you can omit this. I can define string, the generic type of this mutable list, or if you specify the elements here, so Kotlin will detect the type of this mutable list. There is no need for the string generic type. Here, I'll start with potato and broccoli. In this example, the vegetables list, which is a mutable list, can be modified. You can add, remove, or update elements in this list. For example, I'll start with the add elements. I specify the mutable list dot add function. The add function is used to append the elements to the vegetables mutable list. I'll add carrots. So this function will append carrots to this mutable list and it will place carrots at the end of this list after the broccoli. You can remove elements, so vegetables dot remove. You can remove at, you specify the index. Remove function, you specify the element. Remove first, remove last, remove if, remove all, remove first or null, and there are a lot of removal functions. Here I'll use remove at, and here I specify the index. 0, I'm referring to this potato. Let me print all elements of this vegetables. So here, specify vegetables, and I need to print the item, which is the vegetables. Run the program. You can see tomato, broccoli, and carrots. We added carrots after broccoli, and we removed the potato, which is at index 0. Vegetables can specify this angled bracket. I need to specify the index of the element that I need to update. I'll update tomato. It's at index 0 because this is removed. Tomato becomes the first element. So here, vegetables at index 0 after the removal, or you can comment this and specify the vegetables at index 1. Vegetables at index 1, I'm referring for tomato. I replace it with garlic. Let me run the program. And this is our list. It starts with potato and tomato is replaced with garlic. Also, you can create a mutable list with array list of function. For example, I'll create another mutable list here. Val colors equals to array list of, and here you can specify the type, or whenever you add new elements, it will detect the type. Here, the error is gone because I specified the string double quotations. Red, green, blue. Also, you can apply the addition, removal, and the update functionalities to this array list of. Colors dot add, I'll add purple. Removing elements, I'll remove colors dot remove element 0. I remove red. Remove at, and you can update the elements. Colors at index 1 equals to yellow, and I need to print all elements of the list for item in colors. For every item in colors, go and print this item. Run the program, and here we go. This is our vegetables list, and this is our colors list. I created a mutable list with the help of array list of function and the mutable list of function.